Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. How was your trading day? Did you make profit? Did you make loss? Did you follow the process? I have been stressing this point over and over again. Following process will make you money more than you can ever imagine. For following the process, you need to have a set of rules or set of trading system in place. Without the trading system in place, no matter what you trade, you will end up making profit one day, but 9 out of 10 days you will end up in loss because you don't know how to trade. See, in my channel, I don't follow any indicators. I don't say about RSI. I don't say about Bollinger Band. I don't even talk about option data also. All I talk about is structures, imbalances, supply and demand, liquidity. That's all. 4 5 concepts are what I primarily focus on. That is what end up making money, not only for me, but also those people who have been following my channels regularly. Today is one of the very easiest days. Market opened the gap down. Okay. Market opened pretty big gap down, and if I zoom in here, market closed somewhere here 23,845. Where did market open? 23,689. Almost 200 points gap down. What was the first 5 minutes candle? 23,554. This itself is like another 130 points movement. What have I told in my previous videos? Whenever market opens gap down and whenever the first 5 minutes candle itself is giving you such a big move of 100 plus points, what you have to do is you need to mark the high, okay, and you need to mark the low. Whatever discussion which we had yesterday, if market opens flat and goes up, if market opens flat and comes down, these are all invalid because market opened pretty big gap down and market is going down. Now what should be your thought process? Your thought process should be in such a way that if market breaks this and gives a closure on pullback, I'm interested in call. If market continues to rally down, it is not possible to capture a very big move because of two reasons. One is market has already opened a pretty big gap down, and first 5 minutes candle itself has given me more than 100 points. So your thought process, it should be in such a way that I should sell from a supply, or I should wait for a closure above this and wait for a pullback from a demand and buy this market on the upside. This is what your thought process should be. And I've also told you one more point: give time to the market. See, we got a closure above this, right? And the moment we get closures, what do we immediately look for is we look for a demand, right? So what will be our trade plan? Simply we will be planning a long position here, keeping the swing point as our result. And what have I told about targets? Always make sure that you capture 100 points and you trail after that if you get more than 100 points. 23,607 would be our entry, right? So what you have to do is the moment you get 23,607 as your entry, draw a line at 23,707. This is going to be your ideal target. If market extends above this target, we can look for extended targets till this gap. This gap will be pretty surely be filled, and if this gap is being filled, we can extend the targets till here. This is what should be your mindset. Understand, this mindset will only come only when you learn how the market works. So let's see how the market played out. We got a tap and we got a pretty good rally in the upward direction, and the target was hit. Our trade should be closed here, and we should not even worry about anything else after this trade is being closed. This is how you can capture such good solid trades. After that, whatever happens is not my concern. Market coming down, market can again go up, that should not be your concern. Yesterday we captured 1:7, today is 1:4. In 2 days we have captured almost close to 1:11 trade. Why are you not able to capture such good trades? Where is your lack? You need to understand all this. If you are not able to understand such simple trades, you need not even capture all the way till here. Even if you are captured till here, right, this itself is 1:3. This is what we told as a target, 1:4. The moment you capture 100 points or 120 points, That itself is more than enough. Would give you a solid profit. See, I got a comment yesterday asking me to give live trades during market. I can give live trades, but you will be dependent on me. I don't want you to become dependent on not only me, but from anyone else. I want you to become independent so that no matter what happens in the market, you should have clarity. And because of that comment which I got, I have planned to give a little bit service for those people who have taken my course. I wanted to give us additional service to them so that they will also be benefited. So what I am planning to do is from Monday onwards, I will start a separate WhatsApp group and I will post a video in that group around 10:30 as to what is my view on the market, how we can plan the trade going forward for that particular day. That's all. This will help them benefit so that in case if there is no trade, right, then I can simply say to them, please don't trade today. It's more than important to save your capital than to overtrade or revenge trade in the market and get caught in the wrong side of the trade. The moment you are still holding on, hoping that the market will go all the way till all time high today itself, it's not going to happen. It is not going to happen in one day at all. It is not going to happen. So what do we have? Even though there was a small pullback obtained today, market has tapped into the gap and it has given a small reaction. This reaction will be confirmed. This is 1 hour time frame. This reaction will be confirmed the moment market breaks today's low and goes down. Then on pullback, I'm interested to take the market even down. Simple. Tomorrow's trade is, that's all. This is tomorrow's trade. Very, very simple. We need to see a closure below today's low and we have this supply as part of 1 hour candle. If I zoom in here. So why am I looking for a closure first of all? Because this closure will confirm the break of structure on the downward direction and only after the closure this will become your supply. So the moment this becomes your supply, when the market pulls back till here, then we can wait for a small 1 minute confirmation in this place like this. If we get the market tap into the supply and give a small negative reaction, this is what we can plan for tomorrow. This is going to be a solid trade. Okay, there is no other trade which I am more interested on because we have to flow with the market. This was not as part of our discussion, but this move we had captured today because of our learning. You can also capture such good trades. Please spend time in studying the markets. Market structures will only help you take you to heights cannot even imagine. Okay, please spend time studying the market. That is more important. Anyone can trade. Anyone can trade. Please don't waste your hard-earned money without knowing how to trade. Okay, anyways, keeping the video short, if you like the analysis, make sure to like the video, subscribe the channel and follow for more such educational content. Thank you so much for watching. We'll meet in the next educational video.